What's up, y'all? It's Khalil Beats. I'm gonna go ahead and roll an intro. We are winning. Yeah, y'all. So y'all see the money. Y'all see the money emojis. Bleaching your dreads or dyeing your dreads, because I know y'all see me in the last video. I had all black hair. Now I just popped out with blind tips on my dreads. So I'm gonna let y'all know the safest way to do it without losing your hair, bro, because you can do it without damaging your hair and stuff like that. So first things first, y'all, when you bleaching your hair, make sure you get the right developer, such as they got 20, they got 10, they got 30, they got 40, it go all the way to 60. It probably go way up more than that. Make sure you get the right developer when you bleaching your hair, because I know that what I heard is the higher the developer is, the more it could damage your hair. So I went ahead and got me a 30 developer because I wasn't trying to get the brown blonde. I was trying to get the light blonde, and I think I did a good job. So I did a good job. But y'all might want to go with the 30 or the 40 developer if you're trying to get blonde or the lightest blonde. So I'm gonna tell y'all this too: before you bleach your hair or dye your hair, make sure your hair is dry, and if it's already dirty, you can wash it right after. You can wash your hair right after you get done bleaching it. So if your hair is dirty, you might want to keep your hair like that, and then you can wash it right after you get done bleaching your hair. So or dyeing your hair. To avoid breakage and thinning of locks, bruh, do not lay down or lean. Don't lean on anything that the end of your dreads are gonna touch. So to avoid breakage and thinning, cover up your locks. Cover your dreads up, cover your locks up. Like I said, I showed y'all this in the last video. I got me a dreadlock cap, a lock sock, a dreadlock sock. Y'all can use a silk scarf. You can use a scarf. You can just cover your hair up with something silk, something that's made out of good material, not cotton. Cotton dries your hair out. So after you get done bleaching your tips or dyeing your tips, make sure your hair does not touch the bed. It don't touch stuff. Make sure your hair don't touch anything. Keep your hair, stop your hair from touching stuff. So you bleaching your hair too, guys, make sure you set a timer. Set a timer while you're doing it. So you probably put your hair into rubber bands. What you want to do is you go ahead and apply the bleach on whatever sections you need to, and as soon as you get done, you go ahead and start your timer. And your timer is what's gonna stop your hair from burning off and over bleaching. So you set your timer, you read the instructions, and you figure out how long you're supposed to have the bleach in your head. And you set your timer. And you might want to keep on checking your hair to check and see if is that a perfect color. I got a perfect color. I know my color perfect, but you might want to keep checking your hair just to check that it's at a perfect color while you're bleaching it. So keep checking it, and until you get the color that you want, that's when you take everything off, the rubber bands and the aluminum foil or the plastic bag. You take it off, and then you go ahead and wash it, bro. But look, y'all, I'm gonna keep telling y'all this, bro. Cover your dreadlocks up. Even if you got normal hair, bro, when you cover your hair up, it stops damage, bro. Covering your hair up is the best thing that you can do, bro. Covering your hair up, it grows hair, it stops hair from breaking off, it stops split ends, bro. Just cover your hair up, bro. Cover your hair up. I'm gonna cover my hair up. Matter of fact, I might do it right. I don't feel like doing it right, but I'm gonna cover my hair up, bro. And when I go to sleep, I'm gonna make sure my hair covered up too. But also, guys, I'm gonna retwist my hair on camera for y'all. I ain't gonna do it in this video, but I will retwist my hair on camera for y'all. As y'all can see, I just got done bleaching my hair, so I'm gonna wait till everything dry up, and cause I gotta put the blow dryer on my head, and I want to make sure that I don't get that heat on the parts of my hair that I bleached. So I'm gonna show y'all how I retwist my hair and all that crap. Just show y'all how I look in the back and show y'all how I do it in the front or whatever. And then I'm gonna go ahead and keep, you're gonna see it when it comes. But it's, when you're growing your hair out, bro, just keep it covered, bro. That's the best thing you could do, is just keep your hair covered, bro. And man, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Your hair gonna grow. you know. But I did, I bleached my hair for about 35 minutes, and I just left it bleaching it for 35 minutes, and that's how I got the color that I wanted. So another thing too, after you get done bleaching your hair, guys, make sure you moisturize the ends of your dreads. Moisturize them, get some moisturizer, some oil, and just moisturize the ends of your dreads, bro. Because you don't want them to get too dry, and you don't want them to start breaking off. So I'm actually gonna moisturize my hair again when I get, probably after this video. I'm gonna moisturize it again, because I do not want my hair to get too dry. I already don't like my hair to be too dry in the first place. So, but yeah, guys, I think I'm done rambling on, guys. Keep your hair covered, moisturize. Make sure you wash your hair to get the dirty smell out, so you don't trap no smells in there. And guys, after you bleach your hair, I Googled it. After you bleach, you will have a smell on your hair. It's natural to have a smell on your hair after you bleach it. So, yeah, guys. I'm about to go ahead and put my dreadlock sock on, and I'm about to put it on. And yeah, guys, I think this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end it off at. So, if you're gonna bleach your dreads, bro, you can do it. Just, it takes patience, it takes time, and make sure you got gloves. Make sure you got a container where you can mix the bleach together, and make sure you dispose of it properly too. So, you know, guys, if you want to bleach your dreads, it's really not that hard, bro. You know, you can do it. Just make sure you put your hair in sections, and just go by section by applying the bleach. But this is where I'm gonna end it off at. Y'all know I wrote the intro in the beginning of the video, man. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.